Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to refresh your bedroom. Just showing you a couple of tips and tricks on how to take your room from drab to fab in no time. So if you guys like this type of video, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, stay tuned so you can see how I totally transformed my room in little to no time.
Take me away.
So the first thing that I like to do before I do anything else is just go ahead and remove and change my bedding. So I take off whatever sheets, pillowcases, and all of that I already had on the bed, and go ahead and just throw those in the wash.
Summer. We do our best to hide.
One of the things that I love to use is this Sleep Lavender Chamomile Pillow Mist from Bath & Body Works. I always spray this on the mattress and on the pillows anytime that I'm changing the sheets. It's a nice way to just refresh any of your linens and make everything smell nice and fresh and clean. So I decided to go ahead and throw on a different comforter. I was going to use the gray comforter that I had on there before, but I just decided that I wanted to change it to something a little bit lighter, a little bit brighter, and I absolutely love this comforter. I got it from Home Goods, and it's a Kate Spade comforter, and it's amazing.
We crossed the borderline into our dream. Nothing will ever be.
Does anyone else have a million pillows on your bed? With my throw pillows included, I have 10 pillows on my bed, but I only sleep with 4.
Oh, so take me away. Some other place.
Next, I like to clean and reorganize any of my surfaces. So that includes the dresser and my nightstands. I don't know about you guys, but during the week, all of this clutter just somehow ends up on my dresser, whether it's jewelry that I've been wearing or body products or whatever. It just always ends up on my dresser, and so it takes me a while to get to it. So this is a quick way to just make your room nice and clean. Just go ahead, put everything away, reorganize it, and wipe everything down.
Oh, my Indian summer.
So I'm using this Honest multi-surface cleaner. I really love it. It doesn't have any harsh chemicals, and so that's great, and I really like it, and it does a great job. Also using the glass and window cleaner by Honest. Again, no harsh chemicals, really great to use in your house. You don't have to feel bad or guilty about what you're breathing in. There's no toxic chemicals. Now I am moving on to my nightstands. I have these 2 mirrored nightstands that I got from Target years and years ago. You can see this one has a little bit of a crack in it. I literally just did that earlier last year. I was very upset about it. nightstands always end up with a bunch of different things. Right now I'm battling a cold, so you'll see I have some cough drops on this one. I usually always have a glass of water or a bottle of water on my nightstand because I don't know about you guys, but I wake up in the middle of the night and I'm so thirsty, so you'll always see water on my nightstand. The next thing I like to do is remove any trash that may be in my room. And then last but not least, I just like to go ahead and vacuum. If you have hardwood floors in your room, then go ahead and sweep or mop the floors. But I have carpet, so I just like to put down some carpet fresh, make sure it smells nice and fresh, and then go ahead and give it a good vacuum. I don't know about you guys, but seeing those vacuum lines in the carpet is one of the top 10 most satisfying things in the world to me. It just makes me feel so happy whenever I see them. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more cleaning videos or organizing videos, please let me know in the comments down below. I am happy to do that for you. Like I said at the beginning, go ahead and give this a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on my socials, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.